First thing that comes to your mind while purchasing property is the location. And to finalize the location, you take certain parameters into consideration. These parameters are nothing but your budget, essential facilities, future development, better standard of living, and well connectivity. Apart from this, we all have the desire to reside in greenery and breathe in the fresh air. Unfortunately, we do not find such properties in city, which could fulfill all these needs. The suburbans in India are growing with the lightning speed, and sooner or later will be fully equipped with the world-class infrastructure. One of such fastest growing suburbs in India is Palghar. Let's take a look at the benefits of investing in properties in Palghar. Palghar is a hub for tourism and industries. Situated in the foothills of Sahyadri Mountains, Palghar is blessed with historical places, beaches, waterfalls, and several hill stations. The world-famous Warli painting has its root from this place. Apart from that, Palghar is a home to many small and large-scale industries. With the presence of Tarapur MIDC, Palghar stands out as a major hub for industries in Maharashtra. Out of the 15 sanctioned collective incentive schemes in Palghar, 7 has already started. Besides that, a new port is planned to be set up in Dhanu Taluka. High-capacity growing urban housing. The growing demand of housing in Mumbai has led to expansion of boundaries, keeping urban development in mind. The boundaries has now extended from Borivali to Virar and beyond Palghar. To support this expansion, Palghar started developing its infrastructure. Many real estate market leaders have come forward to contribute in this expansion by bringing in banks, ATMs, shopping centers, healthcare centers, educational institutes, hotels and restaurants. Location and connectivity. Thane is just 90 kilometers from Palghar, whereas Andheri is 100 kilometers and Navi Mumbai 113. It is well connected with Mumbai via Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. On the other hand, Mumbai local and other passenger trains have made the journey much more easier. Apart from that, many long-distance trains halt at Palghar. The proposed 4-lane railway lines between Virar and Dhanu Road and the future high-speed train connecting Mumbai-Ahmedabad will further enhance the connectivity of Palghar. Development of infrastructure. CIDCO is estimated to spend around 3,800 crores for the development of new township. The project includes buildings in residential, commercials and industrial zones. The new township includes quality community centers, gardens, fountains, which will nurture the beauty of Palghar. Better standard of living. An opportunity to live in a community which offers social and cultural exchange. The greenery and scenic beauty of Palghar makes it an excellent place for stay. A significant difference can be seen in the temperature range, noise level and the air quality in Palghar in comparison to the neighboring cities like Mumbai, Thane and Navi Mumbai. Well, these reasons are good enough for you to invest property in Palghar, and Munavi Palghar property can bridge the gap between your buying desire to get an excellent deal. Munavi Palghar Properties, right place to find right property.